In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access ElevenLabs audiobooks in just a couple of simple steps. If you've been looking for the audiobook feature inside ElevenLabs and weren't sure where to find it, this guide will walk you through it clearly and quickly. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software walkthroughs just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you're inside the ElevenLabs dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where most of the main tools and features are organized. If you don't see audiobooks right away, don't worry, because it's tucked inside the expanded tools section. Start by scrolling down the sidebar until you find more tools. This is the menu that holds additional features beyond the basic options. When you see more tools, click on it to expand the drop-down menu. After it opens, you should see a list of extra tools available in ElevenLabs. From that list, click Audiobooks. That's it. Once you select it, you'll be taken directly into the audiobooks section where you can start exploring the feature. If the option doesn't appear immediately, make sure you're signed into the correct account and that your sidebar is fully expanded. Sometimes the layout can change slightly depending on screen size, but the process is still the same. Scroll down, open more tools, and then choose audiobooks from the drop-down. And now you know exactly how to access ElevenLabs audiobooks. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And now you can get straight to creating or managing audiobook content without wasting time hunting through menus. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.